here, loves getting drunk, loves fighting. They always have every other Thursday. I forget what it's called, but there's always something going on here. During the days, more laid back, obviously. And at night, you get all the titty bitties and little fake gangbangers and people that just want to do bullshit. All these people are whack. I got some bikes right there. Yeah, boys. My balls are sticking to the seat so bad. The Cube in that place is fire. We should do a hood eats there. A lot of these places are fire to eat. The Buttermilk, tap room's aight. So yeah, that was Main Street. Pretty boring, nothing special. Look, this guy was just gonna pull out in front of me. Scum. Nobody be looking, bro. They don't care. They want to kill you. And they're like, oh, I didn't see you get away with murder real quick. That's all you see on all these Facebook group things. And, oh, this guy died. Oh, the person's out, though. The person didn't go to jail. The person didn't get reprimanded for anything. They didn't even get their license taken away for a little bit. Just killed some dude on his bike. It must be nice. Just get away with murder. They don't care about bikes, bro. That's like that guy got away hitting me. Dude didn't even stop. Hit my rear tire. Peace. Just leaves me. Got some guy giving me a Gatorade while he's passing by. I hate these roundabouts. Man, that's a dope Jeep. Get it, boy. That thing probably killing it in the fucking mud. Oh, some chinks. R.I.P. chinks, bro. R.I.P. Quick as money going. I'm thinking about money while I'm having sex. Damn, man. It makes no sense. Why does the 600 Hondas have a fuel gauge, but they don't put fuel gauges on anything else? Like, let me know where I'm at, bro. Let me know. Gotta wait till a light pop on. I know I'm probably still good, but I just like to know. Peace of mind. What up, bro? What is that? 600? Yeah. That thing's nice. What year is that? What year is that? Yeah, nice. I like it. Yeah, this is a 21. 21? Yeah. I crashed it though. Somebody hit me like 2 months ago on the highway. Oh. Yeah, it's not bad though. I got little scratches. I got actually 2 months ago too. Yeah? Yeah. I'll see you, brother. Oh, nice. Meeting people. I had no idea what he's... No idea what he was saying, but we got it. Like a squid, but what you gonna do? That guy look mad older than me. I'm 34. I'm old now too. Shit, I miss being in my 20s, bro. This shit's so annoying, just getting older and older. It's terrible being an old man. Oh, he got the toast exhaust. Nigga got money. Got that bread up. I feel like that's what everyone does though. They buy these 600s and put a toast exhaust on it. Do all this extra stuff. Damn, how the hell did I just go into neutral? can't even tell if I got you guys upright. Just don't want to break it. I think you guys see me. This thing should be shifting nice, man. I just put that Motulo, fucking Honda got me. They're like, yeah, bro, you're gonna want to put the Motulo in. It's way better than Honda OEM. Normally, I just be putting the OEM stuff, bro. Mad easier. I'm a mechanic by trade, so I just do all my own stuff. Like the 600 I was telling you guys about, I wish I had all the videos. I ripped the whole thing apart because, like I said, it came from Hawaii, man. It was in a million pieces, passed between 15 different guys. I made that thing mint. Now, hopefully tomorrow or next video, maybe even later today, I'll take it out. I gotta charge some batteries up. I don't even know if my thing's still going right now for you guys, but I'll take that out too. I'm just an OCD freak, and like, my stuff's got to be clean before I take it out. And the way I have my stuff set up right now at my crib is ridiculous. So my dad made my life really difficult. I got my own little apartment, and it's just sick how my life is right now. I don't even know how else to say it. That's just what it is, bro. Let's see what my boy's doing. We'll stop at my boy's house. See what he's doing. Damn, bro. I remember down here there's this pizzeria. The hottest girl worked there one time. Mad fire. Get a little manata, bro. They need some body work, though. What's that? Nigga folded his plate up. That ain't my boy, right? That ain't Junebug? Nah. That shit way nicer. Helmet's aerodynamic. Go around myself, bro. Do I still even have my wallet? Yeah. That would have sucked. Is this thing still up for you guys? So yeah, I don't know. Like I keep saying, you guys gotta let me know what kind of content. I'm just cruising around. Got nothing better to do. I'm bored. Oh, that Lincoln Park, what up? Down, 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 down. I hope the quality sounds good. I think I put the settings good on the GoPro too. I hope you guys see me. I hope it don't grainy. It's not all grainy and stuff and retarded. Is it green? Is it green? Hit it! Oh, who's gonna make it? Whatever, I don't even have a plate. Give me the red light ticket, boy. Karen, my boy's mom. I used to be bunny hopping these things with my 600. Damn, you like that, right? Ah! Crawling in my skin.